the finale for the Panzat Polish project, which has 4 categories: trying a new brand each update, trying to finish polishes entirely, trying an accessory linked to some kind of beginner nail art, and trying to use up a nail care product. There was less than a month between this finale and the last update, so my goals were humble, but I still had one goal for each category, and this time the brand that I tried is Maybelline with the Super Stay Gel Nail Color in Cherry Scene, except that I totally forgot that I had already tried Maybelline in the past, and I even panned a light pink polish from them last year in this project. But it was a very old polish from a line that I don't think even exists anymore, and I have never tried the Super Stay collection, so I guess it still works. I was so drawn to the color that I didn't think about anything else when I bought it. I'm wearing it today, and I thought it would be the darkest red that I have ever had, but it turns out that it's not as dark as I thought it would be, but it doesn't bother me, I still find the color pretty. What surprised me when I applied it is how liquid it is. I really had to wipe my brush a ton each swipe to not have it run away everywhere. I'm not used to this super thin texture, but I'm not necessarily against it. I will have to form an opinion over time. It said on the bottle that it can last up to 7 days. On me, it didn't last that long, but I have to say that I had home projects that are not polish friendly, like paint, so I will have to try it again to really be able to make a comment on this claim. Then the polish I tried to finish for this finale is this one from Sephora collection in the color Moody Woman. There wasn't a lot left in the bottle, and I wore it 2 times on my fingernails and 1 time on my toenails, and I was able to finish it, so we have a 3rd polish done this year, finally. If you didn't saw my last update, I also finished these 2 polishes. Last year I finished 7 polishes, so of course this year is not my best year in this category. However, last year I had mostly half-done mini polishes, and this year I had mostly full-size newish polishes, so of course it wasn't the same. I'm still glad to have 3 finished polishes. The last accessories I wanted to try this year are these half moon stickers. They're usually made to make French manicure, and my goal was to use them at least once, and I did that. As you can see on the pictures, I went for a white edge on this cherry manicure, and it was messy and I didn't like it, and I covered it with red again. So I was a bit salty because it felt like I had just ruined a perfectly fine and fresh manicure for nothing. However, I find the white edge on the cherry red super cute, and I wouldn't be against trying it again, but I would really have to be able to take my time and be very careful. So I don't think that the stickers are impressive because I really have to babysit them too much and to be too careful and too patient, so I'm not really pleased with them, but I'm ready to give them another try. And we made it to the nail care category. I used it 4 times on my fingernails and 2 times on my toenails, so it's not a lot, and I wasn't able to make a new mark on the bottle since the last update. This year in this project, I've used it 45 times on my fingernails and 14 times on my toenails, so it's a total of 59 uses in this project, which is better than what I would have done if this product hadn't been in this project, but of course I didn't manage to use it up. So I guess I will do that next year. And speaking of next year, I don't think I will keep the 4 categories in this project. It was too unpractical for me. I was always late on one or the other category, especially the accessory and the new brand ones, and it delayed my updates too much. I mean, I'm glad I tried all these accessories, even if most of them were fails, because at least I've tried and now I know what I think about them. And I am glad that I tried new brands and that I reconstituted my collection, because I had mostly old products and I finished a lot last year, so it's great like to have fresh products and to have choices available again, but I still think that this project was a little bit too over the place for me and that I need to change the rules for next year. At the moment I don't know what these rules will be, but I still have a bit of time to think about it before next year intro. If you have ideas and suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye.
I'm never gonna look back, cause damn I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slow